So, welcome to the live simulation of CorelDRAW. As you can see here, this is the opening page or the opening tab that you will be greeted after you open the application. If you want to go and create a drawing using this app, as it is for making an image, you can just click here on the new document, and the first thing you will see are these possible modifications that you can make even before making the file that you want. Obviously, first you can change the file name for this particular demonstration. We can change the name into my project. You can change the presets of the file that you want it to be, the primary color mode, either CMYK or RGB, obviously also the number of pages, and the page view once you open the file. You can also change the dimensions from the available presets here, the width and the height of the paper, as well as the units that you will go for once you open it, the orientation of the paper once you show it, and obviously also the resolution. The color settings are also there, but you can just leave them for the default if you're just going to use this for engineering purposes. And but you can change these if you want. There are presets available here which we will not be discussing, as that is not the point of this live demonstration. Okay, so if there's nothing amiss, we can proceed ahead to drawing. However, before we draw, uh, you will be great once you say okay to making a new project. You're greeted with this particular field, this particular tab. In the left side are the tools for this specific software, and on the top are the tabs you can use to customize the tools. Because if you click the tools, for example, if you click free draw here, as you can see, the tab up top changes as the tool changes with it. So as you can see here, the tools have dark spots on the right side, on the bottom right side. These mean that the tools have multiple forms. You can hold the click button and then release it if you want to select a specific tool form. Like here in the point form, in the pick tool or the cursor, you can change it. If you want to draw uh, for this specific demonstration, we can go ahead and use the freehand tool just to show you how it works. Also, you can also first before that we can use the zoom tool. If you left click, it will zoom in, and if you right click, it will zoom out. You can also select the specific area you want to zoom into, and just left click if you want to re-zoom out the image or the paper. So we can go ahead and use the freehand tool here. As you can see, using the mouse cursor, I am drawing the best I can using the mouse. So the the line will not stop up until you release the mouse. And obviously here, after releasing the mouse, it will show you nodes or sections of the drawing. For example, if you make this line, it shows this node here and this node there. They are connected. You can delete this if you want to, or just select a specific node, and then it will and redraw from and draw from that node to another node. Also, we can try and use the smart drawing tool for refining the freehand tool. For example, here, if I if I just use artistic media and I'm using the freehand tool, if I draw a curve, it just leaves like if I draw a curve like that, it will become a stroke using the artistic media tool. These media tools show different results depending on what you do. The live sketch, obviously uh, follows your mouse cursor like a pen. This is often used if you're using a smart pen. You can also use smart drawing to with in combination with the freehand tools to fix a specific line. If you, as you can see here, that line was should have broken edges, but because I'm using the smart drawing tool, uh, it refined the edges. There are also other tools here like making shapes, but these are the tools that you can explore for yourself if you want to use this tool. I hope that helped. Uh, Thank you guys for watching, and have a pleasant day.